The scariest days in the stock market are usually the best time to invest. Because there's a hidden pattern behind every crash, and once you see it, you stop reacting and start winning. And it all comes down to one moment, what I call peak scariness.
All right, let's talk about what's been happening in the markets. If you've been paying attention lately, you've probably felt your stomach lurch and then maybe get shot into space. It is enough to give anyone a serious case of whiplash. But hey, don't worry, we're going to make sense of all this madness, and I'm going to give you a really clear, simple plan to handle it.
I mean, just look at this number. Plus 9%. That's the NASDAQ. That's the kind of return you'd be happy with in a good year, and it happened in less than 2 weeks. That's the speed we're dealing with here. You blink and you literally miss the entire move.
And that speed, it's what causes that feeling of whiplash. 1 second, the news is absolutely terrifying. You're looking at your portfolio and it's just a sea of red. And then the next moment, we're seeing one of the biggest green days in a long, long time. It's totally disorienting. And you know what? It's kind of designed to shake out the nervous investors.
Now, this is really interesting. This slide tells you everything you need to know about fear. The VIX, think of it as the market's fear gauge. Well, it plummeted 17% in 1 day. That's that big sigh of relief. But if you zoom out, you'll see it's still up a whopping 43% for the year. So what does that tell us? It tells us we're still in a really high anxiety environment, even on the good days.
So this is the million-dollar question, isn't it? For anyone who's trying to build real, long-term wealth. How do you actually stomach these violent, V-shaped roller coaster rides and turn them into an opportunity instead of just another reason to panic? Well, that's exactly what we're about to break down.
First thing you have to understand is that what we're seeing right now, it's not new. This chaos, believe it or not, actually follows a very familiar pattern. It's called a V-shaped recovery, and just being able to recognize it is the first huge step to mastering it.
See, we're in what's called a V-shaped recovery. And when I say V, I don't mean a gentle little bounce. I mean a sharp, violent snap back from the lows.
This clip cuts off here. The full video is live on my channel.